If you want more local leads in New Jersey, do not start by guessing. Start by showing Google exactly where you work, what you do, and why people should trust you. Local SEO is how your business shows up in Google Maps, local search results, and nearby searches from real people ready to call, visit, or book. New Jersey is not one market. Jersey City searches are different from Morristown. Hoboken is different from Cherry Hill. That means your local SEO strategy should match the way each market really searches. Step 1. Fix your Google business profile. Your hours, services, categories, photos, and reviews all need to be complete and current. Step 2. Build real location pages. If you want to rank for SEO services in Morristown or a Jersey City SEO company, those pages need useful content, not copy and paste filler. Step 3. Earn trust. Good reviews, clear contact info, strong service pages, and simple calls to action help both Google and your buyers feel confident. For example, if you serve Jersey City, your page should speak to Jersey City, show the services, the area, the proof, and the next step. Make it easy to trust you fast. If you work in Hoboken, do the same thing. A strong Hoboken page should not feel generic. It should feel like it belongs there. In Morristown and Cherry Hill, the search behavior can be different again. That is why smart local SEO uses local pages, local proof, and market-specific messaging. The big mistake? One page, one message, and one strategy for the whole state. That is usually too broad. New Jersey local SEO works best when your structure matches the market. If you want better local visibility in New Jersey, start with your profile, your pages, and your trust signals. Keep it simple, keep it useful, and make every page earn the click.